What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking all about whether or not low content book publishing is saturated. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know how I got my results with my low content book publishing business and how my students are absolutely killing it when it comes to publishing books on Amazon, then check out the link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This will take you step by step on everything that I did to get my results. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, low content book publishing. It's all saturated. Don't even bother trying to do this business. This is what I'm hearing a lot. I hear a lot of people saying it's oversaturated. You can't make any sales because there's just too many books on the market, and don't even bother. Well, I think they are completely wrong, and I'm going to show you examples or proof why this business is not saturated. So it all comes down to finding niches. I'm betting all these people who are saying it's saturated are trying to publish books in niches where there's a lot of books, and obviously they're going to find it harder to make sales. But there's an unlimited amount of niches for you to publish books in, and they're not even that hard to find. Now, yesterday I did a video all about niches, which you should go and watch, because I talk about niches with low content books, how they're absolutely everywhere, and there's niches that you wouldn't have even thought are actual niches. So for an example, I'm going to pull up one that I pulled up yesterday. So this is in the banana niche. Yes, banana is actually a niche for low and no content books. So let's do banana journal. So as we can see here, it has 50 monthly searches. So people are actually looking for this book. Now if we click on that, we can see there's 205 results. And if we scroll down, we can see it has a BSR of under 1 million. So that banana notebook is actually selling. So 205 results. Does that look saturated to you? Please leave a comment letting me know. Now I could pull up hundreds of examples of niches like this. So let's do another one. Cucumber. Spelt that wrong. Cucumber journal. So there's not actually any monthly searches. It hasn't pulled any up just here. But because this is auto suggested or auto filled, people are actually searching for it, just not that many. And as we can see, these have a BSR of 4 million, 7 million. So this is a niche that only sells every now and then. But look, 140 results for Cucumber Journal. So let's put in another niche. Let's do waffle. Waffle Journal. Here's another one. 544 results. Let's go down to here. They have a BSR, so that's just over 1 million. I'll publish books, now this is personally me, if it has a BSR, no matter what that BSR is, even if it's 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, I'll still publish a book in that niche. Because even if that only sells once a month or once every 2 months, I might as well still publish a book because it's not going to cost me anything to do so. And it also builds out my library. but that's another one. Waffle niche with 544 results. And let's do another one. So let's do Bacon Journal. 1,000 results for that. Quite a few books. 3 million, 3 million. But this is another niche, and 1,000 results isn't that many at all. Now let's go for another one. So let's do Cherry. So Cherry Journal, 10 monthly searches, 743 results. See, there's niches are everywhere, and when it comes to no content books like journals and notebooks, niches are literally anything. So you can do any type of fruit, any type of sports, any type of food. Just do the research, because there's so many niches like this where they're not saturated. So I really don't get people when they tell me that low content book publishing is saturated, because it's clearly not. Now obviously there's going to be some niches that are going to have thousands and thousands of books, and yes, I still publish in those books because it still brings me sales, or publish in those niches because it still brings me sales. But as you can see, within, 6 minutes, I've shown you a few different niches where there's hardly any books for them, and there's hundreds, probably thousands of examples like this, but people are too lazy to put in the research to find these niches. And when someone tells them that low content book publishing is saturated, they just regurgitate that information and tell other people that as well. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you believe that low content book publishing is saturated or not? Leave a comment down below letting me know. Now with saturation, even if it was saturated, saturation is a good thing. So why is that? It means there's money to be made. If something is apparently saturated, then there's money to be made. It's that simple. People like to use saturation as an excuse for them not to do something. Oh, I'm not going to do eBay dropshipping, that's saturated. Oh, I'm not going to do Etsy, Etsy is saturated. Oh, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do that, it's all saturated. Well, that's just an excuse that people tell themselves to stop them from actually giving it a go. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.